What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna make the interior of the 240 look 100 times better. So we already had the headliner out from when we was fixing the sunroof, and we saw that there's all mold, probably because the last owner had a leak inside the sunroof and they didn't really clean it up good or let the car air dry, because even when we picked up the car there was still moisture left on the windshield. So I think it was pretty bad, so we're just gonna go ahead and rinse this off. Color vinyl and fabric paint. We've got the black one. It's kind of a satiny finish. We got this one just because if we do spray some interior pieces, it'll keep that same finish. It won't be too shiny. So we use this on the XB and we also use it on the Z, and both the cars have been holding up really well and they look really nice. So all these plastic interior trims have been painted with that same spray paint and it's holding up really good. And even the headliner itself looks really good still yet. So I'm going to start off with a light layer and then let it dry for a little bit. So the first coat is dry, but you can see all the stripes, so we're gonna go ahead and add another layer. It's looking better, so I'll probably add another layer after this one dries. So I don't know how good of an idea this is, but I'm gonna try to paint the sunroof part in the car because this thing is heavy to take out and it's only me right now, so I don't want to drop it and crack the glass because that would suck. We just got everything to work, so I kind of don't want to touch anything. So I'm gonna try to tape up as much things as I can and then paint this part. So I put a couple more coats on the sunroof and I did another coat on the headliner, and I let everything air out for about 2 days. So now I can go ahead and throw the headliner back in. So let me go grab it real quick. be it for today's video. Everything is put back together. I feel like it looks a lot better black just because the dashboard is black and all the other interior trims are already black, so it makes it look a little bit more cohesive. Thank you guys so much for watching, so much for rocking with us. You guys are the best. Thank you to everyone that caught their jet tags. I hope you guys are enjoying them, and if you haven't, we have more on the website. They say stay good and diamonds on a budget. They're only $6 and it's free shipping, so if you guys want to cop one, make sure you guys do so in the description below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.